The room was prepared for installation as directed in the manufacturer's instructions. The assembled footframe FR5350 can now be placed into the screed recess. Using a spirit level, check that the horizontal positioning of the frame is accurate and adjust where necessary. Now prepare the enamel shower surface for installation. The central support systems are aligned as required and attached to the underside of the shower surface. The pull cords must face towards the waste outlet. Now install the waste fitting KA200. Clean the contact surface and attach the installation cover, securing it additionally with the screws supplied. In the next step, fit the XETIS sealing system to the clean shower surface. Attach the corner pieces first and position the sealing element on the installation cover. Cut the sealing strips to size and connect with the pieces already attached. Now place the shower surface in the recess. Make sure to check the preset height of the shower surface in relation to the planned finished floor tile level. When finished, align the shower surface to the planned wall. Use appropriate fixing brackets for accurate positioning of the enameled shower surface to the stud wall. Adjust the central support systems and place the pull cords into the stud wall system. Now install the wastewater side fitting and check the drainage to ensure leak tightness. When the wall paneling is finished, the tiler can apply the sealing coat. Once dry, apply the sealing tape. The sealing tape can be integrated in the sealing surface by way of an additional coat of sealer. Now the walls and floor can be tiled. Once this is finished, seal the joints with silicone while the shower surface is under load. Once the joints are sealed, insert the design panel. The design panel can be removed at any point for access to the waste fitting. It can be optimally adjusted using the set screws on the back. The XETIS is now ready for use.